Them say, why in the darkness must come to light. What's up? Welcome. I just 3 little videos a ninja, you don't know. Being ninja, we're gonna upload together so you guys can have a laugh. Haha. Watch and enjoy.
The girl them say me ugly and it turn up, then I want to see me ugly in front of TV, then want it in them bedroom, you know, cause me cute in the bed, but me ugly out the road, you know.
To be honest, me never see a man embrace the ugliness like Ninja. But the crazy part is when you watch videos of Ninja Man from back in the days, he wasn't ugly. You see what drugs do? Stay away from drugs.
You read about Paul?
What about Paul?
Paul was the same man they called Saul, who used to slew Christians. I never kill a Christian yet. I am going to make figure about church one time and get in a spirit for me and me have to run out.
Who have you killed? Never kill a Christian?
I never kill a fly or a mosquito.
Who does the killing for you?
My girl, what you really call me on your TV if you do? If you send me a prison?
Emily. What kind of line of questions did they ask the Gargan? Yo, me notice the interviewers, they always try to draw out the Gargan. Always try to get the man on the wrong side. Always try to get some negative information out of the man. Even when there's no negative information whatsoever. But I guess they're just doing their job. But the ninja know how to deal with them and handle them. Hold them ninja and scold them.
My social girlfriend them. Half in a class category and style. Me have woman as investment. If me a deal that woman and me and her cannot invest, me no want her. You can invest with. Eh? Me no sex for love and shake for pleasure. And me no run down girl because then look good and shape good. Me talk to woman where we can build a brighter future.
Did you hear what he say? He doesn't run down girl because they look good and they shape good. He speaks with women. What is that telling you? Date woman, look women. Ninja always talk about it still now. He only dates women or get women pregnant who can help themselves, who have stuff going on. As ugly as a ninja be, ninja have style and pattern. Yeah man, I know the type of woman them fit deal with. The boss said in a previous interview, if he give you $10,000, back in the days, 10,000 was good money. When he come back and say, Mom, lend me $1,000, you suppose you can show him say, oh, you have 20 grand. Yeah man, get you a woman who can multiply whatever you give her. Don't get you no goddamn girl. We're gonna spend your goddamn money. Then gonna leave you when you're broke. Yeah. If you enjoy the little short videos, just leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. Then share the videos. Bless.